Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWiz.com, and this is our update for October 18th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, it was another day of steep losses across the board on Wall Street. The Dow down another 327 points. The S&P 500 was lower by 40 points, while the Nasdaq giving up 157 points, and the Russell dropping another 28 points. So, we've certainly seen some steep losses this month, and now we are starting to see some signs of panic. For example, you look at Netflix that came out with stellar earnings a couple days ago, and after an initial pop here gap higher, it reversed that day and continued pulling back today. Even some of the banking stocks and financials that we saw put in some great earnings reports and advanced, like JP Morgan, quickly reversing here, and others starting to roll over, like Amazon. Amazon here, you can see now making the shift from higher highs and higher lows to lower highs and lower lows. Any new low here that gets taken out just brings us closer and closer to a more substantial drop. The bond market was fairly flat today. The yield on the 10-year note remains at 3.173. Crude oil taking another loss today, down to $1.05 or 1.5%, while gold managed to squeak out a gain of just $1.50 or 0.12%, and the dollar showing more strength in anticipation of rising rates. So keep an eye on those bigger names, the big tech sector specifically, as more and more big names roll over. It's more and more likely that this is the beginning of a much bigger drop. Remember, some of those bigger names, the Amazons, the Netflix, Apples of the world, do carry, are heavily weighted on the Nasdaq, the Dow, the S&P, etc. So keep an eye on the bigger names. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.